The Jura ENA 8 is a triumph of form and function, designed for coffee lovers who demand both versatility and aesthetic refinement in their home appliances. This machine stands out immediately for its sleek design, a serene, matte surface that exudes contemporary elegance. The cylindrical, diamond-patterned water tank is not only a visual highlight, but also a tactile pleasure, inviting you to engage with the machine on a daily basis. Its compact footprint belies the extraordinary capabilities housed within, making it an ideal fit for both small urban kitchens and spacious, design-forward homes. Just make sure to check the description box for links to the lowest price on the Jura ENA 8. Under the elegant exterior, the ENA 8 is powered by the Professional Aroma Grinder, a precision component that grinds beans with remarkable speed and consistency. The grinder is calibrated to minimize heat buildup, preserving the essential oils and volatile compounds that give each coffee its unique aroma and flavor. Whether you are brewing a light, fruity, single origin, or a bold, dark roast, the grinder's accuracy ensures that every cup is a faithful expression of the bean's potential. What truly distinguishes the ENA 8 is its remarkable beverage versatility. With the ability to prepare 15 different specialty drinks, the ENA 8 is a true all-rounder. The new 2-cup function is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to brew 2 identical drinks at once, perfect for sharing a morning espresso with a partner or serving guests with ease. The ENA 8's menu spans from classic espresso and coffee to more elaborate milk-based creations like cappuccinos, macchiatos, and flat whites, offering something for every taste and occasion. As any Jura ENA 8 review will tell you, the milk system is a standout, featuring Jura's fine foam technology. This system produces microfoam of exceptional quality, dense, creamy, and stable enough for intricate latte art. The temperature and texture of the milk are precisely controlled, ensuring that every cappuccino is topped with a luxurious cloud of foam, and every latte is perfectly layered. The milk system is also easy to clean, with guided cleaning cycles that maintain hygiene and performance with minimal effort. Jura's 3D brewing technology, in combination with the pulse extraction process, PEP, elevates the brewing experience further. The 3D brewing system ensures that water is distributed evenly through the coffee grounds, promoting a uniform extraction and maximizing the complexity and depth of flavor. The PEP system pulses water through the grounds, optimizing extraction time for shorter drinks, and delivering a cup that is intensely aromatic and rich in crema. The result is coffee that is not just hot and caffeinated, but truly expressive, showcasing the subtle flavors and aromas that make specialty coffee so compelling. The ENA 8's touchscreen display is a model of modern usability. The high-resolution, full-color screen makes it easy to select drinks, customize recipes, and navigate maintenance routines. The interface is responsive and intuitive, providing clear feedback and step-by-step guidance for daily operation and cleaning. Customizing your beverage is straightforward, with options to adjust strength, volume, and temperature to suit your personal preferences. Water quality is managed by the Intelligent Water System, which uses RFID to automatically detect the Clearial Smart Plus filter. This ensures that every cup is brewed with water free from impurities, which not only improves the taste of your coffee, but also protects the machine's internal components from scale and mineral buildup. The water tank's ergonomic design makes it easy to remove, refill, and replace, adding to the overall user-friendly experience. For those who appreciate the convenience of smart technology, the ENA 8 is compatible with Jura's Wi-Fi Connect and the Joe app. This integration allows you to control the machine remotely, customize drinks, and monitor maintenance from your mobile device. It's an invaluable feature for busy mornings, entertaining, or simply indulging in the pleasure of a perfectly tailored coffee at the touch of a button. In everyday use, the Jura ENA 8 transforms coffee preparation into a ritual of beauty and precision. Its compact size and stunning design make it a focal point in any kitchen, while its advanced features and beverage versatility ensure that every cup is a moment of genuine delight. Whether you are an espresso purist, a milk drink enthusiast, or someone who loves to experiment with new recipes, the ENA 8 offers a world of possibilities, always with the assurance of Jura's legendary quality and attention to detail. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, please check out the description below for links to the best prices on the Jura ENA 8. Thanks for joining me for another coffee deep dive.